fuck are you guys doing today? So today, I had a question come up in the comment section on the Milwaukee die grinder video. What bench was I using? So I thought I'd share with you guys my new Miller. They call it the Arc Station. It's the 60X Arc Station. And what this is a little welding table that I bought just because A, I don't have the time or really the fucking energy to build one. And this one was the right price. It was $2,500 and it come with everything. It's kind of well made for as much like TIG welding and like kind of things that I do. This is what I wanted to do. I'll show you what it comes with. It came with a whole bunch of shit, really. It's pretty fucking sweet. We'll just kind of go over it because I'm sure not a lot of people have seen this and they just kind of want to know what it is. So I just got it as just a little bit of a fabrication table, you know, if you need some where you're kind of welding in tight spots or whatever, or you need something. It's a pretty nice little table. Alrighty, so as you can see, fuck, we got no goddamn room back here. Guys, I'm running out of room in my shop here big time. So what this is like I said, it's the Miller Arc 70. It comes with a 3/8 top. It came with this little vise, this little 5-inch vise here. I'm not saying it's the best vise. Unscrewing it, here, listen. It's got a little on it, but you know, it's got 4 casters and it's got easy adjusters, so you just run that nut down and you can roll it around anywhere. It has 2 bottom shelves. It has 2 shelves to keep stuff in there. This is a shit, some kind of, oh, that's why it didn't open. This is just what they call like a dust tray. It's under this thing right here. So you get a smooth top and one like right here where you can put these clamps. Now I will tell you, these clamps are really fucking cool. I kind of like it. You can clamp stuff to the table. You got 2 of them. You can easily put them in these slots. You can see that this is still on there. It comes with a like where you can hold your TIG torch. Over here it has a little shelf to put stuff. I put all my Milwaukee battery chargers and my Snap-on battery chargers. Yeah, I got a lot of shit. Also what I liked is it came with this shield. So this is if somebody's walking in and you're over here burning an arc, it has a shield. Also it helps as for the dust collection. This thing bolts together. It took me 2 days to bolt it together. I would say that I had, oh God, 4 hours in the project over 2 days. Over here, it comes with, you could put tools and stuff on there. I really don't use it for that. But I thought it was just a cool little bench to test all that, you know, to just put stuff down on. Get you a back overview of it. It is 59 inches wide by, I think, 29 inches deep, which is not that bad. It works pretty good. So if you guys are out there looking for a welding table at your house or whatever, they also make it where you know, this is the 60X, they make a 30 where you can choose just between this and all this stuff. This thing was fully together. I got it from the place that I get all my other welders from, FMC Fabco. I paid $2,500 for this. I felt like it was a fair price for all that stuff. This is your ground clamp. You can see, you just put your ground clamp on there and boom, you're good to go. But that's the little Miller welding table. So you guys know that it's sitting here, and if you see it in the background of the videos, you kind of know what it is. Alrighty guys, that's the brief overview of the welding table, just so you know I got it. You'll probably see it in future videos this winter, but you know, that's pretty much it. Like always, check out Instagram, Patreon, all that bullshit. Facebook, you know, Instagrammage. You know, I'm trying to get my Instagram game strong, but like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.